Hello, ma'am. Good morning. Ma'am, si Ma'am Camilla
Opo.
ay sa katong GNT, ma'am.
Ang
Pa,
bilang na siya, te.
7225.
Wala na ako lagi kaayo.
Wala mo gud mi kabalo, ma'am. Kay tigatod raman gud mi. Pa-check kung tanamo sa imuha.
Dali lang, te, ha. Kabalik ko wala sa office.
Sige, sige. Thank you. Kani, ma'am.
Opo. Ako po.
Tapos tama man, no?
Oo.
Tama po mo number.
Opo, tama po.
7225. Wala ko bila siya nabayaran. Nakabox man gud.
Ay, I see.
Pwede naman check?
Pero wala ko po naka-order good. Asa man? Ay, asa man?
Ambot kay GNT, manig patod lang man sa amon gud. Patod lang ba? Pa-check na lang naman. Sige. Hindi ko diri, ma'am. Kala open, ma'am, kay imo mo nakapangalan. Surprise! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Joke lang, mama. Dari ka, ma'am. Happy 25th birthday! Oo.
Pero nabayaran niyo.
Oh, mayad na. Wala maraydan, mama. Kabalo ka, ma'am, kung sino nagpadala?
Pero meron akong kilala magpadala dito.
Sige. May message siya para sa imo. Kumbal niya, "Hi, love. Happiest birthday to you. I'm really looking forward for this day to happen because it's the time to make you feel more special than the regular days we have spent together. And this is the only thing I know how to make you feel my love in 1,000 miles distance between us. Since you came, you already played a vital role in my life. You were there when I need you the most. You are my partner in crime, my travel buddy, my cheerleader. You make me feel special and appreciated. I, whom I can share my deepest fears, my weakness, and my insecurities without judgment. Words can't really fulfill how much I love you. May you enjoy this day with your friends and coworkers again. Happy 25th birthday, my boo-boo. From your loving Dudu, all the way from Finland. Oh, si Sir. Hi. Ato sila. Ato sila dari, ma'am. Yeah. Ali mo, ma'am. Mag-picture ta.
Tawagan sila ate.
Ali mo, ma'am.
Wala nga balo.
Ali mo, ma'am. Ali mo, ma'am. Kay kantahan na to si ma'am og happy birthday.
Ako para kong birthday pero na-advance.
Oo, na-advance daw. Okay, kantahan ka na mo, ma'am, og happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Ma'am, make a wish and blow your candle.
Happy birthday.
Yay! Happy birthday. Ay, ala.
Happy birthday
Ma'am, mangayo mig ano, ma'am, message nimo para kay sir.
to you. Happy birthday to you.
Kaya pala inaway pa ako kagabi ha. Mag-away tayo ngayon kaya dapat ayoko kagabi to. Sabi ko sa'yo na i-retard ko to kasi 7,000. Tapos, tinawanan mo yung sinend ko sa'yo na photo. So, wala. Wala akong masabi. Thank you and never ako naman na humingi ng ganito. Kaya thank you for making me special every day. Ingat ka dyan parate. I love you.
Wow. Happy ka, ma'am, sa pinadala ni sir? Okay. Mali ka mo, ma'am.
Dali, picture ka.
Ma'am, mangayo sa mig, ano, wish ninyo kay ma'am. Wish lang, God.
Ang wish lang ko kay Ma'am Camille a happy and contented life. Happy birthday!
Wow. Ikaw, ma'am.
Ako ang wish o I wish para kay Camille is continue to be you. Happy kayo kami nga na-assign ka diri o blessed life pa.
Ikaw, ma'am.
Wish ako kay Camille for birthday.
Okay.
Stay in love, they comes.
Oo, from Finland with love ang padala.
Sa Finland.
Opo. Ma'am, happy birthday. Kami ang Sweet Joy Will of Surprise sa Kidapawan. Nalipay mi nga kami ang napili ni Sir to send your surprise. O nakita namo na gwapa jud ay kaayo ang ang celebrant. Deserve. Okay, happy birthday. Lakpakan nato si ma'am.
Dahil na yun. Ano na yung parang ka?
Sana all jud. Okay.
Ano na